Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both car and phone so pairing works smoothly. First, confirm your Range Rover supports Apple CarPlay and that your iPhone runs the latest iOS. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and have a certified Lightning cable ready if your vehicle uses a wired connection. Once done, sit in the driver's seat, start the vehicle to power the infotainment system, and keep the phone unlocked so prompts appear immediately. You now initiate the actual pairing through the infotainment menus. On the Range Rover screen, go to Phone or Connectivity and pick Add Device. Choose Apple CarPlay or iPhone depending on the prompt. When the system shows a PIN, match it on your phone to secure the Bluetooth link. Make sure to accept any permission dialogues on the iPhone that allow CarPlay while locked and access to contacts and messages, since this enables mapping, calls, and voice commands to work properly. You finish by confirming functionality and addressing common failures. Tap the CarPlay icon on the Range Rover display and test maps, music, and Siri. This verifies both audio routing and controls. If CarPlay fails to appear, reboot your iPhone and cycle the vehicle's infotainment system. Try a different USB port or cable to rule out hardware. If problems persist, reset iPhone network settings as a last resort, then reconnect. Make sure you have passwords backed up because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.